Some of you have come a little early, and I'm sorry to keep you guys waiting because we had other colleagues coming in. What I'm going to take you through is a company overview. Bonfiglioli as a global company, then we'll specifically talk about Indian operation and the reason why we are here. So we'll explain that as well. Bonfiglioli is a family-owned company. 2 generations of family was leading this company. Sonia is the second generation who is leading. Her father started this company in 1956. 4,700 employees are working in this company globally. This is our milestone. I'm sure that what you are seeing there is the Bonfiglioli India milestone. What you see here is the Bonfiglioli Group milestone. 1956 we started. I'm not going through each milestone, it will take time. 1999, we started the facility in India. Okay. If you notice that Bonfiglioli's first investment outside Europe was in India. So Bonfiglioli's real internationalization started with investment in India. Then followed up with Brazil, Vietnam, China, Slovakia, and many other areas. And in 2023, we acquired a company called Cellcom, which is part of us now. They focus on electronics manufacturing, and we had a plant in Pune. And 2024, this year, we had 2 events in India. One is Global Competency Center, we inaugurated yesterday, and today we had a groundbreaking ceremony of new plant in Cheyyar. This is a worldwide presence. We have 18 production sites, 23 commercial sites. We are present in 80 countries, and 4,700 employees are working in Bonfiglioli. We have a lot of thrust on innovations. R&D centers is our core DNA, so to say. We have 3 R&D facilities in Italy, 2 in Germany, 1 in India, and 1 in China. These are our financial highlights. In 2021, we became 1 billion euro turnover company, and 2023 our turnover is around 1.3 billion euro. We have 3 business units. First one is industry and automation solution. The beauty of that is the products are going into 20 different sectors, right? And it is so wide that our products touch into everyday's life. The clothes which is getting manufactured, the food what is getting processed, the medicine that is getting processed, everywhere our products get into. And industry and automation solutions serve that market. Next one is mobility and wind industry. Mobility specifically focused on off-highway equipment. Off-highway equipment like JCB, Caterpillar, our products get into road construction. And next one is wind industry. Turbines, wind turbines, you see wind turbines, our products get there. The final one, the newest addition to our business unit is Cellcom. We acquired this company in 2023, and they focus on electronics manufacturing. This goes into home and professional appliances, electromobility product, industrial automation, and biomedical and wellness areas. Now coming to Bonfiglioli India, the presence in India. You can see our major financial highlights. You have seen the milestone there, so I'm not getting into that. In this year, we expect to be 1,850 crores. And you can see every 5 years, we basically double our turnover. Our average growth is around 15% CAGR in the last 10 years. 1,000 plus people are working in Bonfiglioli here in India. If you look at our market share, in wind sector, we are the #1 player. Almost 70% market share we have. And mobility, off-highway market, we have 32% market share, we are #1 player. In industrial solutions, we have 20% market share and we are #2 player. So overall, if you take everything together, Bonfiglioli is the largest power transmission die manufacturing company in India. And if you look at our investment, we continually invest in India to retain our market share, to keep our leadership position. And we invested close to 300 crores in the last 5 years in India. These are some of our customer references. In industry and automation solutions, we have what our biggest names are there, they are with us. In mobility and e-mobility solution, you can see JCB, Caterpillar, CNH, all big names are with us. Wind solution, we are 75% market, so all the players are working with us and we work with them. Now coming to Bonfiglioli India legal entities, in the beginning we had only one legal entity which is called Bonfiglioli Transmissions Pvt Ltd. The factory is in Tirumudivakam, around 20 kilometers from here. Now we have two more legal entities. One is Bonfiglioli Dry System Pvt Ltd and second is Bonfiglioli Technology Space Pvt Ltd. Bonfiglioli Dry System Pvt Ltd is going to focus on heavy duty industrial segment. The factory for which was inaugurated today morning, and we will be making heavy duty gearboxes for application like chemical, application like cement, material handling, mining. So we are going to make products there. Further, we are going to start a plant in Pune under BDSPL, and there we will be making warm gearboxes and electric motors. And next legal entity is called Bonfiglioli Technology Space Pvt Ltd. This is our newest addition. This is basically our global competency center. Our R&T is going to be working under this legal entity. 180 plus engineers are working now. We expect to double that numbers in the next couple of years. There's a lot of focus on innovation. Innovation based in India, for India, is happening within the Bonfiglioli Group. These are some details of different legal entities. This is the first legal entity, Bonfiglioli Transmissions Pvt Ltd. We have three facilities, one in Chennai, Tirumudivakam, which is 30,000 square meter facility. This started in 1999, 25 years back this facility started, right? And we have a facility in Pune, Telangana, which is 15,000 square meter facility. It is a new one. We just completed last year. And final one is Chennai Sri Perumbudur. It's called Mannur. We have a facility which is around 10,000 square meter. So these three facilities cater to two business units. One is industry and automation solution, and second one is mobility and wind industry. Bonfiglioli Dry System Pvt Ltd, they will have two factories. First factory, like I mentioned, groundbreaking done today, which is in Cheyyar, 70 kilometers from here. We are going to come up with a factory which is 20,000 square meters. It will have capacity of 80,000 gearboxes. This factory is expected to be completed by next year. Immediately after that, we will start the new facility in Pune. In Telangana, we are planning to have 10,000 square meter facility here with annual capacity of 50,000 gearboxes per annum. And these two business plans will be serving industry and automation solutions. Final piece of the puzzle is Bonfiglioli Technology Space Pvt Ltd. This is our new global competency center. We inaugurated this yesterday. And this facility will serve all our three business units, industry and automation solution, mobility and wind industry, and Selcom Group. 250 plus engineers, mechanical, electrical, hydraulic, digital, software, IoT and embedded technology platforms are working. This is going to be our brain who will be supporting all the growth with innovation and cutting edge products. This is some details about Bonfiglioli technology space. We'll be focusing on innovation, sustainability and excellence. This group will not only support Indian facility, they will be supporting all our production facility across the globe. 18 production facilities across the globe will be supported by this global competency center. This is in summary what you see here. BTPL Chennai, Tirumudivakam 1, which we started in 1999, we invested so far 550 crores in this facility, which is approximately 60 million euro. BTPL Pune, which started in 2023, we invested 90 crores, which just completed. Next one, what we are going to start in Cheyyar is BDSPL Chennai. We are going to invest around 150 crores, where heavy duty gearboxes will be made with all the machining, everything. And following with that, we will be starting in BDSPL Pune and we will be investing another 80 crore. BTSPL GCC, that Global Technical Center, we invested another 12 crore. In total, if you see, around 320 crore we are going to invest in India in these 3 years. Our idea is we are already a largest player in India. With these new products that we are launching, we'll be able to gain more market share, get into new segment, and introduce new products which will help our customers. That's our plan. Now, sustainability is one of the core themes for Bonfiglioli. We are giving a lot of focus on that. On sustainability, we have approach on environment, we have approach on social responsibility, and we have approach on governance. Okay. On environment side, 28 lakhs kilowatt hour of energy consumed was actually from photovoltaic for Bonfiglioli. So a significant portion of our energy consumption is actually from photovoltaic. And there is 13% reduction in non-renewable energy sources for Bonfiglioli in the last 2 years. So we are reducing fossil fuel consumption within the Bonfiglioli Group. And there is 15% increase in renewable source consumption in Bonfiglioli in the last 2 years. So you can see that there is a lot of focus on environment, sustainability for Bonfiglioli Group. 30% reduction in waste sent to landfill. And 80% of our waste are non-hazardous. For example, the paint what we use for our products. Okay, so they are not enamel based, that is water-based paint. So water-based paint, the advantage is that they are not polluting the environment, they are not polluting the ground. Very few people use water-based paint in India. We are one of the few. And all our facilities in India are actually energy certified, green certified facilities. Social responsibility, we run 2 homes. One is Cheyyar Future Land, second one is Cheyyar Future Rose Land. This is for boys and girls, separate facility. 100 plus kids are living there. We are taking care of their entire needs. We will take care of them till they graduate and move on. This is a facility which is working for years and managed by Sonia, directly managed by Sonia. On governance side, ethical standards are pretty important for Bonfiglioli. We have general ethical principles standard, ethical principles on relationship to third parties, ethical principles in relation to staff, ethical principles on corporate governance. So we are very much focused on ethical approach towards all the stakeholders in the system. Thank you. Now it is open to